how to buy HIVE intelligence token. So this token came under the symbol of hint. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of these updates that you can see, it's from the 15 hours ago. So this post, they say that the hint token is coming tomorrow, 7th January 2025 in 2 p.m. UTC. As you can see, it will be listed on Mixi, Git.io, BingX. If you scroll a little bit, you will see this Mixi post on their page. Of course, they said that hint to USDT will be listed in the innovation zone on the 7th January 2025 on the this time on UTC. So if you click on this link, you will see that this page, they said that makes Kickstarters vote HIVE intelligence hint to win a $60,000 or USDT. So you have a chance to win this amount of money. So make sure to read all of that information to be able to vote for HIVE and make a chance to win this amount of money. So keep checking their updates to be able to buy this token. So this is it. This is how to buy HIVE intelligence token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.